In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram Live not showing. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, recently, Instagram just implemented a new live feature for regardless of whichever account you have. So what you want to do firstly is go to your App Store or Google Play Store if you're on Android, go to the top right where it has the profile icon, check to see if Instagram has any updates available, because if you're not on the latest version, it's not going to show up. Then just go over to your Instagram application once you've updated it. Go to the bottom right where it has your profile icon, then press the top right where it has those three lines. And then from here, what you want to do is scroll down and you're going to see who can see your content as one of the options. Make sure your account privacy, make sure it's a public account and you're not on a private account, because if you're on a private account, you're not going to be able to actually go live. From here, just also scroll down and you can also go to account type and tools and just make sure you don't have any restrictions on your account. If you have a teen account, by default, live is also going to be off. So what you're going to have to do is ask your parents to enable live for you from their parent account. And then you'll be able to do it just by pressing the plus icon on the top left and selecting live, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.